Hey cat owners, ever whisper the word treat and suddenly your cat appears out of nowhere like a furry ninja? That's not a coincidence. Cats don't just understand the word treat, they worship it. You could be talking to someone else entirely. I might grab a snack or a treat late. Boom! Cat in the doorway, staring you down like, say that again, I dare you. Some cats even recognize the sound of the bag or the cabinet door or the way you think about it. So yeah, your cat definitely understands treat. They just save their energy for the words that actually matter. Want to know the other words your cat secretly understands? Click the link below to watch the full video.